What a go on, people? What a go on? How you do? You know, all right? Now today, it's just a show you a few things when me do when me not doing YouTube. Today, me outside today at a tractor supply. I sell some food, you know. So right now, me have my big grill out. Yeah, man, me show you my big grill. Yeah. This grill. Yeah, man, this grill. Yeah. Big grill, man. Big grill, you know, grill upon wheel. Yeah, see it there? Grill upon wheel, you know. So, yeah, and then me have some, right now me have some rib tip. Me put on some rib tip. Yeah. See there? Rib tip right there, so. Yeah, man, rib tip there, so. Then me have chicken over there, so. Then me have more chicken over there, so. Yeah, man. Top and bottom grill, you know. This are the bottom, this are the top. Two-sided. This grill are two-sided. So nothing not there over this side. People, me telling you something. A lot of times you hear people talk. Talk them a talk. Talk, make them talking. Eh. We got a lot more coming. Make them pass them dirty remarks, cause who God bless them, me say no man curse. My viewers and subscribers,